Hello everybody, welcome back to our 37 Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your Motorola Moto G31. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the media and call volume in the settings. So let's go back to the settings first. Let's go over here. Now let's scroll down until you guys see sound and vibration. And here make sure that media and call volume are turned all the way to the right, so to the max. Now after that, what you guys want to do is open up the control center and here disable the do not disturb. It can also cause the low volume problems, so to make sure that they do not occur anymore, disable it. Now after that, what you guys can do is try cleaning your speaker or the headphone port. So you guys can try and clean the headphone port right here, or you guys can try and clean the speaker grooves right here, right at the bottom of the device. Now after you clean it, everything should be good, but if not, then as a last resort you guys can try and update your software. So go back to the settings and scroll down until you guys see the system updates. Now click here, and as you guys can see, everything looks good for me. But if you have any updates available, then make sure you do them because they can fix a lot of issues, including this one. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.